Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to G8 of Houston car meet. We're gonna go to AMC, show you what kind of cars are there, and then we're gonna go to cruise from there to Galveston. So should be a fun meet. Fuck up on me. Now this guy's in the push. Nah, it should be fun. As long as the car doesn't give me no issues. I don't have any issues yet. Jose's house. And then from there we'll go to the AMC. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, we just pulled up at Jose's house. We got a Chevy assist right here, his caprice. But we're fixing to roll out to the AMC. See y'all there. Alright man, we put up to the meet, man. There's a lot of G8's and Mustangs. So let's check it out. Look at all these cars. G8 Houston meet to Galveston. There's Jose's Casillas. Caprice, I think it's it. So we got a red one, MGM, we got a black SS right here. Damn, there's a lot of G8's out here. Snap, we got another Caprice over here. Some pipes, another SS. Caprice, there's a lot of Caprices out here. Holy shit, that's gonna be badass. That's different. Yeah. This is clean too. Then another Caprice over there. We got called the hood. Lewis old car. It's better than coffee and cars, bro. Ryan's old car, he raffled it and some guy won it here in Houston.
Really?
Yeah. Dang. Chevy's GT. Please don't touch nobody. Dude, there's lots of cars. That's like here. Man, this meet actually turned out pretty well. Oh shit. What's up, Mo?
What's up? Oh, what's up, man?
Ernesto. I didn't even know you came out here.
Appreciate it.
This is Mo Nation YouTube.
What's up, everybody?
This is badass. Actually, it's better in person.
The ramp looks different.
Oh, he's leaning. He's on airs.
Yeah.
That's it.
Did you control the AC or something with the little thing in it?
Yeah, the cup holder is the controller for the AC, or you can just control it to the bottom of the radio, but it's faster to do it on that actual thing right there.
Yeah, that's badass.
It's pretty tight. That thing sounds good. Check out Shannon's G8, Ghost G8. That thing's sick. 0 here. It's a great turnout. Cherry Hill in Galveston. Hopefully all the g8's follow us, but the meat came out pretty good. Good turnout. Man, the meat's pretty crazy. I like it. Got my own nation. We're at the Cherry Hill. Check it out, pretty tight. That's tight. It's a good meat, dude.
Yeah, it is. It's badass.
It's a good turnout. There's a lot of cars. End of the g8's of Houston meet. It was pretty good. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll try to do some more of this soon. So it was pretty nice. I liked it. How you like it?
Oh man, it was awesome, man. A lot more people showed up. That was pretty cool.
So besides the traffic, it was good. Hit that subscribe and